welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be reviewing this Dark and Lovely Go Intense color spray. They're saying that it's makeup for hair, and I think that's cute. And this is the color Rose Gold, and I love Rose Gold, so I'm super excited to see what it looks like. And I'm going to be trying it out on my Nadula hair. This is their natural wave, and my longest length is 26, I believe, but I'll leave everything down in the description box. This is a frontal wig that I made, and I have been loving it. I've been wearing it out. I wear it all the time, so this hair is totally bomb. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and style the hair. I think I might want to try middle part today. I'm not sure yet, so I'm just going to style the hair, and then I'm going to come back and try out the spray. Okay, so I have the hairstyle now, and I like it. I think this is cute. I just did little twist backs and bobby pinned it back. So on the front, it does say that it easily rinses out, and I want to mention that for you guys who try this on your natural hair, if you do try it. So that's good. So you don't have to worry about it damaging your hair or you having to go through a long process of trying to get it out. So it does say it easily rinses out. So on the back it says makeup for hair, vibrant color that pops on dark hair, no ammonia, no peroxide, no bleach required. This is a temporary color and it rinses out in one shampoo. Also says intensity and duration will vary depending on color and condition of hair. Directions say cover shoulders with a towel, shake well before each use. So I have my towel here. This is like my towel that I use when I wash my wigs and bleach my wigs and all that good stuff. So we're just gonna wrap that around. Okay, that's step one. Step two, spray on dry hair 4 to 6 inches away from hair. Reapply for more impact. So I did spray my hair with some water, but it's not wet at all and it's barely even damp. So as you can see, it's pretty much dry. There's just some areas that have a little bit moisture, so we're just gonna go with it and go ahead and spray the hair. I don't know where I want to spray the hair, just maybe do like a couple of streaks. And I just realized that I forgot to show you guys how this bottle looks up close, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how this looks up close and what you guys can look for if you go to the store. They have this in Target, and I think they might have it at Walmart. So let me see if it will focus. this is what it looks like, and this is the rose gold. And on the back it has like some pretty examples of how it could turn out, and they look really nice. So hopefully my hair comes out something like that. This is what the applicator looks like. It's really small and narrow, which is really nice. I think it's gonna make for an easy application. So I think I just wanna do this strand right here first. Wow. The spray does come out pretty strong. So let's see. That's really intense though. They're not lying when they say it's intense. I like this. Let's keep going. And it doesn't have a bad smell to it either. It's just like a, maybe like a hairspray type smell. I really don't like how it's a little patchy right here, so I'm just gonna see if it will come out with just some regular water. I'm just gonna see. It does. It comes out with just a little bit of water. Wow. And so it does come out very easily. I didn't like how that was turning out. It was looking really patchy because this application is really hard to do unless you're doing it on somebody else. I can see it being very easy if you're doing it on someone else, but doing it yourself, it is a little tough. So I like the one streak I have going on. I'm just gonna see if I can get it to look even more intense by putting more on there. They have so many colors, by the way. They have pink, blue, silver, pretty much any color that you would like, they have it. And like I said, it's somewhat difficult trying to do this myself. If somebody was here to help, it would make it a lot easier. So it's been a few minutes and this is what it looks like. This is how it looks completely dry. So this is definitely intense like they say, because as you guys saw when I first started spraying, the color was there and it was popping, and the more you spray the more intense that it gets. So I really like that. This is good if you want to just switch up your look, you want something different, and like they say, it rinses right off. This is definitely fun and a great way to switch up your color. And the only thing is about this is I feel like it'd be much easier having someone else to do it, because when you're spraying, you don't know what you're spraying, you don't know where it's going, and having to like hold up a towel behind it was pretty hard. But thankfully this is a wig and I can just take it off and just spray where I want to. That's gonna make it easier. But definitely if you want to try this out and you want it to look good, I would definitely consider letting someone help you do it, so you make sure that you're not spraying like everywhere, because I'm not sure how this is with like surfaces, like on a wall or something. I'm not sure how easily it would come off, so definitely be mindful of that. Other than that, I really like this. It was only $5 or $6 at Target, and they also have this on Amazon if you don't have it in your local Target. So definitely go check this out. Definitely go check out Nadula hair as well. This is their natural wave hair. All of the information will be down in the description box. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.